Hey guys, today's video is a Dollar Tree DIY video and it's a Christmas one for you guys, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this cute little elf ladder with those Jingle Block pieces from Dollar Tree.
All those days trying to find a place where you won't make them just be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video so I can share with you guys the DIY that I created. And even though I'm kind of still into fall, I know you guys want some Christmas stuff. So this is a Christmas DIY that I actually created last year, but I didn't have enough time to give it to you guys in time. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So let's just jump right in so you guys can see how I made this cute little elf ladder with the Jingle Block pieces from Dollar Tree. So this is the box of the tumbling tower game. They're basically like the little Jingle Block pieces that you can find in the toy section at Dollar Tree. They come like this with the two colors or the ones that come with the all unfinished wood. And what I'm going to be using to glue these things together is this Elmer's wood glue that I found a while back at Dollar Tree. They don't have it anymore, but the wood glue that they have at Dollar Tree works just as well as the Elmer's glue. So I love it. I've used it for so many projects. Now I decided to keep everything the same color, so I'm using the brown pieces that came in this set to make this ladder, only because when I do plan to color it, I don't want it to have different shades of red on it. But I don't recommend using the blocks that come colored, because when I was gluing these together with the wood glue, it wasn't sticking as well as the unfinished wood would. But the only reason why I got this tower game, the one that had the mixed pieces, is because my Dollar Tree, they ran out of the one that came with the all unfinished wood. But now I'm seeing that they are just selling that one now. So if you can find the one that comes with all the pieces that are unfinished wood, that they're not painted, get those instead, because these brown ones were so hard to glue together and the glue wasn't sticking that well to them because they were already painted. But again, like I said, I'm using the Elmer's wood glue for this one, but the wood glue at Dollar Tree works just as well as the Elmer's wood glue, if not better. So I love using those if you can't find the Elmer's wood glue. But I'm just going to put this ladder together just like I did that farmhouse style ladder that I shared with you guys a while back that I use in my kitchen. I'm going to make it the exact same way, and depending on how tall you want your ladder, that's how many Jingle Block pieces you would need. Mine, I only took, I think it was like a box or a box and a half to create this. But like I said, depending on how tall you want it to be, that's how many Jingle Block pieces you would use. But for the row across, I only use 3. I thought that was a great width, for the ladder to fit the things that I was going to put on it and make it like a little cute ladder. You want to make sure you take a wet rag and wipe off any excess glue that is seeping through, because if not, it dries very weird and then the paint will not cover it. So I decided to make my ladder into 2 pieces so that it'll make it easier for me to paint. And of course, I'm going to paint it a red color to go with the Christmas, season. But you can attach this together all in one piece and just paint it. But I knew that I was going to be moving the pieces around to get every part of my ladder painted. And to me, it was just easier to have 2 smaller pieces to paint as opposed to 1 big piece. So I'm just going to paint it red and then attach it together in the end. And this is how my little Christmas elf ladder turned out once I glued the 2 pieces together. And the only thing that I used to decorate it with was things that I found at Dollar Tree and the Target dollar spot. That little vine is a little vine that I found at the Target dollar spot a while back, and you guys see me use it to make a wreath for my home sign, my farmhouse style home sign. And I had so much left over that I used it to wrap around this little ladder. And of course I added some elves that I found at Dollar Tree and some of those little berry clips that you can find at Dollar Tree in different types of designs. But you can decorate this any way you like, but I love the way that this looks with all the Dollar Tree and Target dollar spot items. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to use this little ladder up against my Christmas tree once I put it up. And I will be sharing with you guys on Instagram and later on in videos how it does look up against my Christmas tree. I will be decorating for Christmas soon, sooner than I like, because my kids are so ready to decorate for Christmas, but I love the fall and I love to stretch it out as long as possible. But they're ready for Christmas, so I'll probably be putting that stuff up sooner than I would like. So I definitely will be sharing with you guys how the ladder looks up against my Christmas tree once it's all decorated. But you could definitely use this ladder anywhere in the home. It doesn't have to only be against the Christmas tree. You can use it to decorate any parts of your home. I think this is one of those decor pieces that you can use in a variety of ways. So definitely share with me if you guys do recreate this DIY. Definitely tag me on Instagram with your creation, especially how you're going to use it, because I love to see how you recreate the things that I've inspired you to make. And I also like how you guys put your spin on it so that I can get ideas for other things. So definitely tag me if you recreate this DIY. And also in the comments area, please let me know what kind of Christmas DIYs you guys want to see coming up. I really don't have any ideas to make any more Christmas DIYs because I feel like I've made so many in the past, and I feel like others have made so many different ones in the past, and I don't like to repeat what they've made. But if you have an idea in mind that you guys would like me to recreate, especially if it's a decoration you saw in the store and you want me to recreate it with Dollar Tree items, definitely let me know in the comments down below about it, and I will definitely make a video for you guys and try to recreate something that you guys would like to see. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.